Hi everyone on YouTube, this is the waterfall dew sparkle. As you can see, the waterfall is going into the tub. It alternates between cold and warm water. It takes about 10.2 litres of water for each cycle. After this waterfall rinsing option, it will go into the wash cycle. Then after the wash, it will do a swim cycle, which is about 700 reps per minute. I will give you guys a sound experience of the spin very soon. It's just alternating between the two different water temperatures. So, despite a dim one, my arm's beginning to hurt, so I'm going to put the lid down now.